Hi, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here with Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a review over the Star-Brite non-skid deck cleaner. It's got PTEF in it. It's designed for non-skid decks. It's designed to remove all kinds of, when you're out fishing or boating, saltwater, any kind of fish mess, all that kind of stuff, stains and whatnot. So it's pretty easy to use. I've been using this stuff for quite a while. I really like it a lot. I'm going to clean some of the deck here right now. We just went fishing here a little bit ago. And it's got just a formula in it that just removes all kinds of dirt and debris. I'm a professional charter boat captain, so I use my boat every day, and I've been using this stuff pretty much since day one. But it's basically really easy to use. Just get it wet, get the deck wet, get the brush wet. And some people do it a little bit differently each time. I mean, I just take it and I'll just squirt it on the brush here like this. Maybe, I think it might be something in there jammed. Just do it like that. There we go. I'll just do it like that. And just get up there and scrub it clean. It's really easy to use, works really good. Use it on personal watercraft, boats, jet skis, and whatnot. And basically, you're just going to come in here and we're going to hose it off. Give it a good rinse, really good. Just give it a good rinse, really good. And that is pretty much it. The Star-Brite non-skid deck, the Star-Brite non-skid deck cleaner. Very good product, highly recommend it. You should put it in your tackle box and in your toolbox to be able to clean your boat with. Have a great day. Thank you.